And good morning, Facebook. How are we this morning? Another bright and sunny day here in the SimplyDiag Community Hub in bright and sunny Cheshire. It's not bright, it's not sunny, it's about 14 degrees. I've got my hoodie on. It's freezing. It's absolutely Baltic, but hey ho, that's the way it goes some days. Oh dear, yeah. Thursday. I always seem to struggle with Thursdays, mate. Yeah, it's got over the excitement of the new week and you've got settled in, and then all of a sudden you think, it's nearly the weekend, but the weekend's too far away. Yeah, I don't have that problem on a Wednesday, and I don't have. It's Thursday's the struggle for me. I don't know how many of you feel the same. Morning, Laws, how are you, mate? But it's cracking the flags in Briley Hill, innit it, pal? Yeah, I always seem to struggle with Thursdays. Bit of motivation. But we've got a number 9 on the go, so everything will be right in the world in about 10 minutes' time. Morning, Clayton. Morning, Alan. Morning, Nigel. Morning, Andy. Ooh, rolling in thick and fast now. So, yeah, living the dream. That's it, mate. That's it. Morning, Richard. How are you, mate? Gary's in here. Wow, everybody's rocking and rolling this morning. So yeah, I had a bit of a lazy start. I didn't get up till 5 this morning. I've just unlocked now. Morning, Martin. How are you, mate? I've just unlocked. Fired all the laptops up and all that. Got a fresh brew on. We're a bit of a slow start today. I've got to get to the bottom of it. They've got one or two jobs in today. That are sort of kicking me butt, but not, if you know what I mean. I've sicked at back teeth. I've had blue problems. I really am. I blew this, I blew that. Everything's so nondescript for testing. It's weird. It is. Good lad, mate. Good lad. Told you, you can always knock it back down to the basics, mate. You know, when you get in that loop, in that spiral of despair on a job. If you always take it back to basics, mate, rub your board off and start again. And like James always says, do the test that you do, if the part you fit, don't fix it. Do them before you fit the part. Yeah, they are, mate. Although time's not really a problem for me. With only dealing with the trade now, and my customers are, they're pretty good. So time's not really an issue. But I've got one or two things here that are hanging around. I might have to just have a weekend in and just, no doors open, no distractions, and just smash them off, and we'll see what's going on. But any day above the dirt is a good day. so I'll take that as a blessing and say thank you. Oh dear. So yeah, I've had some cracking training this week from Darren over at GLM Lubricants Academy, the DPF doctor himself. I've had some cracking training this week, and looking forward to this morning's session. I think is customer questioning. So how to get the most information out of your customer without being what's his name, too overzealous. Clayton, there is, mate. There is. So ben.org.uk. Just get in touch with them. If you go onto their website, mate, there's a button at the top, need help now. Hit that button. But if you need anything, mate, just literally pick the phone up, reach out to somebody on the network here. We'd be more than happy to help you, mate. I battled it all my life, ups and downs. But you're not on your own, mate. So ben.org.uk, and there's a thing on there, need help now or get help now or something like that. Really cool team at Ben. It's the automotive support charity, but by all means, mate, you're not alone, mate. Just reach out. You're one of us, part of our family, so reach out, mate. I'll gladly have a chat with you anytime. And, morning, Andy. How are you, mate? Yeah. It can be a bit of it breaks people. This trade does. It really does. I've suffered with it all my life, but it is what it is. We get through it. You just got to remember, mate, you're not alone, and there is hope at the end of the tunnel. Yeah, good point, Nige, there is, mate, yeah. Aye, but it could be worse, eh? We could be working on Land Rovers. Yeah, oh, that's awesome, that is Lawson. Yeah, there you go, Clayton. Ad Lawson, mate. He's one of the most steadiest people I know. Like, he's helped me a lot. Yeah, top bloke. Yeah, so, Thursday. Morning, Keeper. How are you, mate? Thursdays, what's that all about? Might tell you what we might need. We might need some bacon today. Might get some bacon on the go. Morning, Trent. How are you, mate? Yeah, let's have some bacon. Yeah, bit of bacon, bit of coffee. They'll will be a much rosier glasses then. Morning, Carl. How are you, mate? I've not minded you for ages. Hope you're all right, pal. Morning, Rob. Hey. Yeah, bacon and coffee fixes anything. Just stay off that salad, mate. Aye. Yeah. So what have we got on today? Well, I've got another one of these Peugeots in with a AdBlue P20EE. Got another one of them in. Got an Audi A3 outside with the boot not opening. Apparently it's body module problem, but we'll have a look at that. Cal keeps dropping in with odd jobs here and there, and for a bit of help and guidance. What else have we got going on? We've got something else going. Oh, I've just ordered a new PayGo can test box. One of the long DLC extension leads from Diagnostic Connections. That should be arriving today. And Steve from Pickler Tools reached out last night. We've got some new kit for the community hub coming from Pickler Tools, so watch out for that post. So yeah, they're putting some more stuff in for the hub. Ride-alongs have slowed down a bit, so we've got plenty of dates in the diary, folks. You're going to SimplyDiag.net, community area, general discussion, pin post at the top, how to book a ride-along. It doesn't work off Apple devices, so you have to use Windows or Android devices to access the Google Calendar and then send us an invite. You know the script. Same place, post below it, community Zoom. That'll be going on shortly. That'll be going on for 8 o'clock. So by all means, jump in at 8 o'clock or any time today. Normally runs from 8 till 2. By all means, jump into the Zoom, ask your questions, have a chat. Please, 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 if you are jumping into the Zoom, camera and microphone, so, you know, on your telephone and stuff like that, and then if we need to access your laptop, you can log in separately by your laptop. But please enable camera and phone, because obviously I can't interact with you if it's just a blank screen and you've got no microphone, and I can't just be sat there all day typing messages in the chat. So by all means, if you're jumping into the Zoom, please, please, please use a device or something that's got camera and microphone. That'd be really, really awesome. Thank you very much. Scroll up. Oh, we got loads and loads of stuff in here. Oh, Garage Drive. There you go. Garage Driver in at Lawson's place today. Brilliant. Morning, Mike. Morning, Scott. Yeah, Garage Drive. Got a cracking team they are. The ultimate garage management software. You want to know what's going on in your business? That's the tool to be measuring it with. Aye, they're one of our awesome community partners as well. So yeah. Right, well, I'm going to have my number 9 now, and get cracking with my day. So look at this. Absolutely beautiful. Can't have too many though. Not good for me ticker apparently. So there we go. So whatever you're doing today, just remember, you're awesome. Yeah. Be the best you can be. And for those of you in the DPF Doctor Network, I'll see you in the training at 9 o'clock. Morning, Carl. How are you, mate? Yeah. Another day in paradise at the community hub. Thanks for watching. Have an awesome day. Oh, nearly forgot. If it's your birthday today, happy birthday. If it's your birthday yesterday and I forgot, happy birthday. If it's your birthday tomorrow, happy birthday. Thanks for watching. You're awesome. Good morning, Dan. How are you, mate?